In the previous video, we added route transitions and page metadata. In this video, we're going to deploy the application to Netlify. First, we need to head to GitHub and create a new repository. We'll be connecting this repository to Netlify for easy deployment. On GitHub, select the new repository button. For the name, I'll call this weather_app_yt. Once created back inside of our project, let's open a new terminal. Within here, we need to initialize a new Git repository with the command git init. Next, we need to add all of the project files to the new repository that we just initialized by running the command git add period. Then we need to commit all the changes we made with the command git commit -m and the commit message, which I'll specify completed app. With this completed, we can now create a new branch, which I'll call main, and we can also connect the repo on GitHub to our local repo with the git remote command, which we can obtain from the create a repo on GitHub. Lastly, let's push up the repo to GitHub. If we now refresh the page, we can see we have all of our project files stored here in this repository. To deploy the site, we're going to be using Netlify. If you don't have an account, pause the video here and be sure to register and set up your free account before continuing. Once set up or logged in, we want to click on the button Add New Site and select the option Import an Existing Project. We use GitHub, so that's what we're going to select for the Git provider. Once connected, we can search and select the repo that we just created on GitHub. Then we're going to need to configure some options. First, for the branch, we're going to set this to main. Then we also want to set the build command, which for Vue is npm run build. And lastly, for the publish directory, we're going to set this to the dist folder. And the final thing to do is going to be deploying our site, so we want to select the deploy button, and once this finishes, you should successfully have deployed your site to Netlify. Alright, that's going to wrap it up for this application. I do want to mention with any project-based tutorial, it is important to go beyond the project that we built together in this series and add some of your own customizations. Project-based courses are great, but only if you take what you learn and build on it. This will help solidify what you learn and be able to create applications like these on your own. For example, you can add some additional weather information to the city view component, or even connect this up to a service like Firebase to pull saved data in from a database instead of relying on local storage. Anyways, hopefully you all enjoyed this series. If you did, be sure to check out more of my content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.